Ankylosing spondylitis. Introduction. Can you point to the vertebrae? Choose one of the following options. Correct. Bill has been experiencing lower back pain. He also has stiffness in his shoulders and has had trouble seeing. Should Bill see his healthcare provider? Select yes or no. Correct. Lower back pain, stiff shoulders, and blurred vision may be signs of a problem. Bill should see his healthcare provider. There is no known cause of ankylosing spondylitis. Select true or false. Correct. Ankylosing spondylitis is most common in men. It usually begins in early adulthood. There is no cure for ankylosing spondylitis. Select true or false. Correct. There is no cure for ankylosing spondylitis, but treatment can help lessen its symptoms. Thank you for using Explain.